Microsoft Viva Insights is doing something that no one else can do. Take invaluable data from the Microsoft Graph and provide businesses with data-driven insights and recommendations to improve the employee experience. Glint was founded with a simple mission in mind: to help employees be happier and more successful at work. Our founders found that while they had great data on things like revenue and marketing, they lacked data on the thing that actually mattered the most: their people. So they created Glint to help leaders get regular insights about the health of their people, just like they have insights on every other part of their organization. With Glint and Microsoft Viva, HR and business leaders can now combine employee feedback from Glint with collaboration insights from Viva to better understand the employee experience and, more importantly, how to improve that experience.
Headspace was founded to bring meditation and mindfulness to people at scale to improve the health and happiness of the world. Microsoft Viva and Headspace are truly innovating together by injecting meditation and mindfulness into Microsoft Teams where people are spending their days.
We're so excited to be partnering so closely with Microsoft Viva Insights to connect this data and serve insights up in the flow of work to transform the way we work in a way that helps employees and businesses succeed.
And also changing the culture of the workplace by celebrating well-being and personal boundaries and taking time for oneself, which will ultimately improve health and happiness, the vision that we're working towards.
With Microsoft Viva Insights, HR and business leaders can help improve employee engagement so that more people love their jobs.